What is going on, everybody? It's Corey here, and we back again for another one. And I just want to go over the My Six Figure Blueprint with the $15 one-time fee, $5 feeder. I want to reintroduce this because it's a low-ticket opportunity. If you're somebody who's just getting into affiliate marketing or online marketing, and you're not sure where to start, and you want to find something low cost, the $15 one-time feeder is a great opportunity to have something that you can start with affiliate marketing today. And on top of that, it's going to give you a video sales page that does all the selling and telling for you, so you don't have to do all the selling and telling. Just get customers to the video, refer the video, so it can do all the selling and telling for you. And whoever opted into the capture page, it's going to do a 7-day done for you email follow-up within the back office of this system. So everything is done for you. It's a one-time payment. It's instant direct payments. Get paid through Cash App, Bitcoin, Zelle, Stripe, and any other process payments, processing payments you want to use. Excuse me, I got a tongue tied on now. But you want to use to be able to receive your instant direct commissions. Now, if you are looking for, sorry, my notes on here kind of shut off on me. If you're looking for a way to make $500 a week, $500 a month with this system, it's doable, but that'll be 100 sales. 100 sales to make $500. If you want to be able to make even more money, or you want to be able to make 5 sales to make $100, the marketing system that they offer allows you to make $100 plus, with their leverage line, $25 for anybody that joins you and make a sale. Same thing with the $15. It's got a leverage line, so anybody join under you through the six-figure feeder, they'll have a leverage line to where you will receive $5 unlimited cash. I think it's two persons deep, so you'll be receiving those on the leverage line. But if you want to be able to make just 5 sales and make 100 a day, the six-figure marketing system would be a perfect system for you. And it has all the tools to be able to make a capture page, to be able to brand yourself, to be able to make a QVC link. It has a link shortener, 30-day email follow-up, so you don't have to worry about after 7 days that you make sure that you follow up continuously with those leads. It has a 30-day email follow-up, editable pages and sales pages that you can edit yourself and make your own, to be able to market any other opportunity that you have. This for a one-time fee, they have that many different softwares inside of it. I find to be a complete game changer, because now I don't have to use so many softwares. I can stop using and paying for the link shortener. I don't have to go get anybody to encrypt the CB code or QBR code for me. I can do those things myself. And with the email follow-up, you can be able to connect a third-party autoresponder like MailChimp, GetResponse, Aweber, I believe maybe System.io, but we have to look into that. But those different softwares, you can kind of, if you don't have the cash, this is perfect for you, because if you don't have the cash to be able to pay for those softwares month by month, you have it one-time fee, all direct right here inside of this system. That's one thing I do like about it. So it cut some of my spending down on some of those extra softwares that I had to have, that now I have all inside of this system all in one for me. So even when I promote a different opportunity, or even if you promote a different opportunity, it's going to do the same thing as the built-in autoresponder. Is going to capture all your leads. You're going to be able to write your own 30-day, 40-day, 50-day email marketing campaign. So that way, when you get leads to that opportunity that you're using this marketing system to be able to market to those leads, they'll get email follow-ups, so you don't lose any leads and your leads don't go cold on you. So real quick, I want to take everybody into the Facebook proof. I want to give a big congratulations to Mr. James Famba. 3 days ago, he says this system is on fire. Keep affiliate marketing simple. It's a skill that can be learned on. Different than playing basketball. Get your capture page. Now you need traffic to it. Use one of the resources in the members area. Be willing to communicate with people. Excuse me, I'm all off the board and stuff over here. Communicate with people within one business alone. If you own the resellers membership, 100 members is $1,000 earned. Imagine only needing 100 sales to make 6 figures. No monthly fees ever. Get back to the person that came to you. With this system, you guys, you get no monthly fees. That's a game changer. Some systems, they require you to pay a monthly fee every month to be able to use their system and be inside of the back office and stuff. With this, you get no monthly fees ever. I'm going to try to keep this one short for you guys. But no monthly fees ever. Direct payments. Member-to-member sales. Remember, if you guys want to get added to the proof group, I'm going to have my Facebook link at the bottom. Get into my comments. Comment YouTube, and I'll connect you guys with the Facebook, so you guys can see all the other testimonies that's going on and happening inside the Facebook group and new updates that we got going on. And if you are interested in joining or looking for an opportunity that is newbie friendly, does all the selling and selling for you, an all-in-one marketing system for one low price, or even get in, which would be the $15, or get into the marketing system at the one low price. For the marketing system, and let me know what you guys think, how you feel. I hope that this presentation was helpful and that you got a lot out of it. My real notion and aim is to be able to show something that can help people progress within their life. You know, me when I was a manufacturer worker building manufactured homes, I never dreamed that I would be doing this or even have the confidence to be on YouTube and showing and presenting things that can help you build sustainable wealth month after month with your due diligence and with commitment. This could be real, not just for me, but for you too. And I hope you guys found this video very helpful. Alright, I'm gonna get ready to get out of here. But before I do, I want to run over to the dashboard. I'm gonna show you how you get signed up. You want to go to the link in the bottom, go to this capture page, create your account. It's gonna come over here, first name, email, username, password, verify, and then if you want to join at the 6-figure feeder, you're gonna click feeder. If you want to get in a marketing system, you click marketing system, agree to terms, click I am not agree to terms, and pay for your system. And welcome to the group. Again, I have my link down in the bottom. If you want to contact me through Facebook, I'm always willing to talk and learn and about new people. I'm always interested in what you got to say, so please comment, like, hit the subscription, excuse me about that cell phone going off. And when you when you do join, get started here, you just set up your payments. So I'm gonna go through this video, show you how to set up your payments, get paid with Cash App, manually through how you want to get paid, Stripe, and I'm gonna get out of here. You get out of here too. This must be very important on the other line. I'll see you guys later. All right, much love, and I'm on.